Now, folks, here's another little tale for you. When Rosalind and I first got together, and I can't remember if it was the first or second day, I was kind of cruel to her, and I was playing songs in different time signatures and with different feels. And what did she do but dance one to the other with flawless perfection? Now, I say unto Rosalind, and I say unto you, can she do it again? This is another part of the tales, and we're going to just try this song out that she danced to so well. Of course, it's going to be whatever version I come up with today. But, if you will, Rosalyn's yet-to-be-named dance tune. And, are you ready, dear?
Ready.
Oh, and would you like to introduce your friend?
This is Lute, my little buddy.
That's a real snake, folks. I've been carrying around now. There will be tales involved, but those are her tales to tell. Right now, just make her dance. And let's see, how did that start? Oh, she did a fine job of that, did she not? Wasn't that beautiful, folks? Thank you, lovely Rosalind.
Thank you.
And your friend as well. Lovely dancing, the two of you.